My name is Monica Machado. I'm 34 years old. I was born in Villavicencio City. I work as a property analyst. I consider myself a responsible, authentic, realistic, brave, funny, generous, and ongoing and loyal person. I have an associate degree in pedagogy. I'm good at soccer and also good analyzing property and drying energies. I'm not good at cleaning and washing dishes. I feel bad when I see that a person benefits by causing harm to another. I feel good when I can share special moments such as birthdays, parties, and outings with my family and people who are important to me. I feel motivated when I see my family happy and calm. I want to achieve my goals and be able to provide my family with economic stability. I feel proud of myself when I can help someone because I do it selflessly. I'm not looking for anything in return. When I face negative situations, I accept them and try to find possible solutions and try to stay calm. Today, I want to be a more understanding and calm person. My favorite activities are watching documentaries about wildlife, cars, psychology, psychiatry, and finance. I also like to know new places. Today, my life is working well because I have my family, health, and education. I have an stable job and good relationship with my coworkers. When I feel overwhelmed, I breathe and try to calm down and change my location to have a different perspective and greater clarity of the situation.